We are at 1913 Bird Hill Road, and I know there's a bad glare with that sun. The sun decided to come out, but I'll do a quick exterior video. So you have a paved drive. The short little driveway to this paved driveway is a little bit steep. As you can see, it kind of goes down to the main road there. But nice long driveway. You could easily park probably 3 or 4 cars on this driveway if you needed to. And the outside of this cabin looks really nice. They have a small sitting area, big porch. Really nice wraparound porch. Of course, it has a hot tub. It is currently used as a rental. Nice vaulted ceiling, metal roof. I don't know if you can hear it over the hot tub or not, but there's actually a creek at the bottom of the hill that you can hear from this back porch. This one does not have magnificent mountain views, but it is nice and secluded. Kind of tucked away in the woods here.